First thing, I'm going to pull up to that cone. I'm going to slowly approach that cone until my mirror right here is basically behind that cone. Basically almost parallel to the spot. So basically now I'm going to make a quick right and go towards that trailer, almost like I'm going to hit it and then make a quick left. I'm going to make this quick right, go towards that trailer like I'm about to hit it, and then I'm going to make a quick left and straightening it out. So now this is what we consider an offset. I'm going to back up my trailer into a 45 in between those two trucks. Always take your time when you're doing these maneuvers. All right, so I'm going to slowly turn my wheel to the right because I got to angle it a little closer to that cone. A little closer. All right. Once I feel I'm comfortable, I turn it back to the left slowly. Not giving it gas, just slowly into the spot. Okay. All right. Now if I feel I need to fix my trailer, I can just pull up. All the way. And I'm going to stop. I turn my trailer to the left now. I see my truck on this side. I see a truck on this side. I'm a little closer to this side, so that means I have plenty of room to my right. I want to hug this cone, but not hit it. Now, if I need to pull up to straighten out again, I can. For this maneuver, you have 2 pull-ups and 2 get-outs. I've used my second pull-up, so now I'm just going to back up, which is a straight line back again, and just slowly back up between the 2 trucks, making sure I have enough room on either side. Okay. All right. I stop mirror to mirror, and I should be in my spot correctly. So I'm going to pull my air brakes and put it in neutral, and that's how you perform an offset.
Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. If you want to get your CDL license, you know where to go. Check out our website, cdldrivingacademy.com, right over there. And if you like this video, you'll definitely like this video right over here. So make sure you check that out. But before anything else, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you soon.